Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Coinbase using PayPal. It's a simple and secure way to get started with digital assets. We'll walk through connecting your PayPal account, funding your purchases, and completing your first crypto transaction. This guide is designed to make the process clear and easy to follow, ensuring you can confidently navigate buying cryptocurrency. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll need to link your PayPal account to Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app or visit their website and log in. Head over to your settings or profile and look for the option to add a payment method. Choose PayPal from the list, and you'll be securely redirected to PayPal to authorize the connection. This step ensures your accounts are properly linked for smooth transactions. Once PayPal is linked, buying crypto is straightforward. Browse the available cryptocurrencies on Coinbase and select the one you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend, perhaps $25, and then select PayPal as your funding source. Review your order details carefully and then confirm your purchase. Your new crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly. Before you finalize your purchase, always check for any associated transaction fees and review the current market price of the cryptocurrency. Market prices can fluctuate quickly, so confirming before you buy is a smart move. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.